Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to start by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, I need to select close to disable my location. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of this owner is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same now gray shortcut. You can also just go into Devices settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Access My Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!